Don't settle. You can hear it while doing something else. Nothing about this requires your full attention. There's a difference between pulling inward and staying with what's already here. The last video was about noticing when attention stopped expanding. Today's video is about what remains once it does. Most people feel pressure to complete things, to respond, to explain, to match what's expected. That pressure doesn't come from outside as much as it seems. It comes from the habit of letting energy move outward automatically. There's no need to interrupt that habit. You just don't need to finish it. If a response starts to form, you can let it form without delivering it. If a reaction begins, you can let it exist without acting on it. Nothing backs up. Nothing builds pressure. It simply stays where it started. You're not holding anything in. You're just not giving anything away. When nothing is given away, there's a sense of completeness that doesn't depend on effort. It doesn't require stillness or silence. It exists alongside movement. You might notice that you don't feel pulled as much, or you might notice that you don't need to check how you're coming across, or you might not notice anything at all. None of that matters. Containment isn't an experience to have. It's the absence of leakage. At some point today, there may be a movement. When you don't feel a pause, don't justify a choice. When that happens, don't mark it or repeat it. Just recognize that you stayed intact. That's the fold. There's nothing to keep doing after this. Let the day unfold without offering more than is necessary